Behind every sparkling pool is a secret, and it's not endless scrubbing. Would you trust a pool robot to clean your pool? Well, I do, and guess why? You all know I love sharing ways to make life easier, more beautiful, and definitely less stressful. And today we're diving into something that takes pool days into a whole new level of chill, the WYBOT C2 pool vacuum cleaner. Because listen, cleaning a pool should not feel like you're training for a marathon. We want sparkling water, not sore arms, right? Well, this little robot does heavy lifting for you. So, because we live in 2025, there's an app for this. The WYBOT app lets you choose your pool shape, your cleaning path, and even pick up to 7 cleaning modes from energy-saving eco mode to the brand new waterline mode that scrubs along the edges where grime likes to sneak in. One very important point to note here is that you have to set it up on the app before you drop it into the water. Once it's swimming, it's doing its own thing. First things first, the WYBOT C2 is a total upgrade. It's rocking a high-efficiency brushless motor that gives it powerful suction, so it can handle dirt, leaves, debris, and even those stubborn bits of gunk that just hang around at the bottom of your pool. And get this, it can run for a full 180 minutes on a single charge, cleaning up to 2,152 square feet. That's basically a pool marathon on autopilot. And when it's tired, don't worry, it only needs about 3.5 hours to recharge. Quick nap and it's back in business. Plus, the built-in gyroscope helps it navigate smoothly, and the auto parking system, genius. It glides right to the pool edge so you don't have to go fishing for it. Okay, now this next feature is where I had my yes, thank you moment. The cycle timer function. You can literally set it up to clean on a 7-day, 4 times a day cycle. Imagine your pool stays spotless all week long and you didn't even touch a net. It's like having a little pool butler on schedule. And if your pool is extra messy, maybe after a storm or a big party, you can kick it up a notch with turbo mode. Just remember, turbo mode is for the floors and is specifically designed to grab that stubborn debris with its HEPA filter. Trust me, it doesn't play. Now, this part blew my mind. The advanced double filtration system. It's got a dual layer basket. One side catches the big stuff, like leaves and twigs, and the ultrafine side traps tiny things like dust, sand, and even pollen. With a system like this in place, your water doesn't just look clean, it tastes clean once this is done. So when the cleaning cycle is over, you just use the retrieval hook which comes with the robot, and then you pop open the robot and check out all the debris it has collected. As you can see, look at that. Super easy, no fuss, no slimy mess on your hands. Look at how much dirt this trapped in. I am so impressed, to say the least. So here's the deal, guys. Whether you've got an in-ground or above-ground pool, this little guy is going to be your new best friend, like it is mine. No more dragging heavy hoses, no more endless scooping. Just set it, let it do its magic, and enjoy more time actually being in your pool instead of cleaning it. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check out the WYBOT C2 for yourself. And hey, if you do grab one, let me know how much time it saves you. I'm curious.